Let's continue with our lesson on the subject-verb agreement rule. Last class, we talked about the 5 basic rules. Today, we're going to learn about 5 more. Rule number 6. Subjects that are connected by the word and takes plural verb. For example, Dan and Jane like jazz because the subject is 2 people. However, when the subjects are connected by the word or, in case of A or B, the B is the subject. For instance, his brothers or Dan likes jazz. In this sentence, the word Dan is a subject, while in the sentence Dan or his brothers like jazz, the word his brothers, which is plural, becomes a subject. So remember, when you're writing A or B, B is a subject. Rule number 7. The word every, each, and one are magic words that always take singular nouns and singular verbs. For example, in the sentence, every book has an ending, the subject is every book, which makes it singular. And in the sentence, each book is unique, again, the subject is singular. And of course, in the final sentence, one apple a day keeps the doctor away, the subject is one apple, which is singular. Rule number 8. The word either and neither are singular. When I'm writing either is fine or neither is fine, they're both treated as singular. However, rule number 9, when you're using either or neither in a combination, such as either A or B or neither A nor B, the subject is the one that is close to the verb. For example, in the sentence, either my brothers or my mom is angry with me, the subject is the word my mom because it is close to the verb is and it is singular. However, in the second sentence, neither my mom nor my brothers are angry with me, the subject is plural, my brothers, because it is this word that is close to the verb this time. Rule number 10, and this concept is tested a lot in the writing section. A number of versus the number of. The difference is rather simple. The word the number of is a singular term. For example, the number of students in my class is 15. The subject is the word the number. However, in the situation when you're using a number of, this simply means many, thus making the subject plural. A number of students were late for class. Let's review the part 2 of subject-verb agreement. Remember that subjects connected by and takes plural verb, while subjects connected by the word or, in A or B, B is the subject. Each, every, and one are words that always take singular nouns and verbs. Now, when you use the word either or neither, it is singular, but when you use it in a combination of either A or B or neither A nor B, it's the letter B that becomes the subject. In the case of a number of versus a number of simply means many, thus making it plural, while the number of is always singular.